What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Just want to say thank you guys so much. We just passed that 800 subscriber mark, which is huge to me. I didn't think I would be hitting this for at least a year or two, so it's awesome. Next step, we're going to hit 1,000. I'll do a big giveaway when I do hit my 1,000 subscribers, but seriously, thank you so much for all the support. I can't say it enough. Also just passed 7,000 followers on Instagram last night. So if you haven't followed me on there, make sure you go check it out. Also wanted to do a big shout out for my dogs. We got Moonbeam, we got Flower scratching herself over there, and the new addition, Rainbow, right here. We have a little Instagram page we just started for them. Me and Sarah kind of working on it. It's called 3 Little Hippie Dogs, all spelled out. I'll put a link in my description here. Make sure you go follow them. Me and Sarah are still working out pretty much every single day, even though we just got over being sick for a few days, but we're back at it. We go on vacation next week. You guys are coming with us. You're coming to St. Thomas. You're coming to the Virgin Islands. We're staying in a crazy treehouse, cliffside mansion with infinity pool. I can't wait to show you guys. You guys are coming with us. So my sister and her fiance are getting married next Friday, and we'll be all down there celebrating. So rented a car. You guys are coming with me. If you haven't followed Sarah on Instagram, she's Sarah Smiles Strong. I'll also put a link in my description there. Please follow along for her fitness journey. Follow my pups. Now let's go to the garage. We're going to do a little something to my car today. Just want to show you guys what I'm up to. All right, it wouldn't be a day in the life of Steven if I didn't have to clean the Scubaroo. My God, I did not realize how dirty it is. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Dude, this car is disgusting right now. I pretty much clean this car pretty much every single day that I'm off of work. So if you guys get bored of watching my videos from seeing me clean my car, I just gotta say, you're probably gonna have to get used to it because I'm trying to show you guys what I'm up to. Cleaning my car, then we're gonna do a little something to it. Actually, I won't even show you the process. Just 3, 2, 1. Boom, clean. All right, let's get to work. I always think that door is going to hit my garage, so I always roll down the window, or else I think it would. Alright guys, after a long time and a lot of requests online, I decided I'm finally going to black out all of my silver emblems. So as you can see, I've got it set up nice and pretty here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some plasti dip, some black plasti dip here. Let's start with this Toyota emblem. I did this a long time ago. I did it on my old Mazda 3 hatchback, and it was pretty easy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a layer of plasti dip on this front Toyota emblem, let it dry for about 15 minutes, do another layer, and we'll go from there. Here goes nothing. We messed up my car again. Alright, as you can see, I got the first layer on there pretty good. I left some silver on the emblem so it doesn't drip or anything. And then about 10-15 minutes, I'll go ahead and hit it with another layer. I think we'll probably do about 3 layers on this one, and then we'll peel it off. The overspray is kind of hitting a little bit over here, but that's okay. This stuff washes off really, really easily. Alright, so far I've got 2 layers going right here. Got about a layer on the sides here on the 86 emblems, and then got a layer going on the back badges as well. So we'll let these guys dry for about another 10-15 minutes, and then we'll put another layer on. In the meantime, I'm going to start the lawnmower, mow my grass. I got to get my whole house ready before we go out of town. So let me do that, and we'll get right back to the project. Alright, just got done mowing the grass, so I had to change because I was disgusting. So plasti dip has dried here, so I'm actually in the process of just kind of pulling the outer layer off. And in theory, I guess this plasti dip, it looks like it's already doing it, should just stick to the emblem itself. I see a little bit of overspray here, but that's okay. I'll be able to wipe this up pretty easily. Let's see here. It's coming off pretty nicely now. We'll finish doing up this one, and then we'll go ahead and shoot over to the sides and the back, and we'll see how it turns out. So I think to get inside the emblem, I'll just take a little toothpick here, and basically I should just be able to kind of scrape and then pull up. So let's see if this works. Yeah, it looks like it's coming out pretty nicely. So I'll just finish up this front emblem and then we'll do the back. Alright guys, it's actually been a couple of days here. I decided to go ahead and redo my emblems. Lesson learned, I use an old can of plastidip, 2 cans of old plastidip. I have no idea how long they've been in here for. Probably I would say at least 3 or 4 years. I can't remember the last time I used plastidip. So I think it was old plastidip. 2, I did it in the direct sunlight and it was like 95 degrees out here and really, really humid. So I think that was really bad, and it just didn't come out perfect the way I wanted it to. So right now I got a couple new layers of plastidip going on the back of the car here. I think it's going to look way better now. I also decided on the sides here, on the 86 emblem with the piston, I decided I'm not going to do them black. I got it all done in black. I didn't really like it. I like the way that you can see the detail in the emblem. When it's just silver like this. Obviously, you know, I gotta clean up some of this plastidip in the corners here, but I'll do that next time I clean the car. I really like that one better in silver. I think it goes well with the black on the side there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'm gonna go ahead and redo the front emblem as well, even though that one came out better than the other ones. I got 1 layer of plastidip on right now, so we're gonna see how it looks in 1 minute. So we're going to see how it looks once this layer dries. We'll put another layer on there. Just trying to keep it real with you guys. Didn't do it perfect the first time, so I want to go ahead and get it done the second time. It's still on a budget. I just bought 1 can of plastidip at Walmart on my way home, so we'll see how it comes out. All right, here goes nothing. Just slowly take this paper and the tape off. I think it'll work a little bit better if I get this stuff off first, and then I'll just be able to peel right around the emblem. All right, got some toothpicks here. So what I'm gonna do is go in between all the letters here and in between the emblem and get the little plastidip out of the middle so we can see the paint under it. I just had to show you guys those Valenti sequential turn signals. Good morning. It's a beautiful fall morning here in North Carolina. I got the emblems all blacked out, cleaned up. I think it looks way better like this. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like the black on the back and the front? And do you like the silver on the side? I think what I'm actually going to do is no surprise here, I really don't like the way plastidip looks on the emblems. I don't know, it just doesn't look as clean as I wanted it to, which is no surprise because I have done it to another car before and it didn't come out perfect. So I'll probably keep it like this for a little while, then I'll probably rip it off. And what I'm eventually going to do is I think I want to do carbon fiber emblems on the entire car. So I'll probably get some of those ordered once I get back from my vacation. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like the black look better on the emblems? I think I really do for right now at least. I think it gives the car a much cleaner look. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers so I can do my next giveaway. So if you can, please like this video and smash that subscribe button. I look forward to see you guys in the next video. Peace.